Get that separate right here. We separate this stuff right here. Separate right here. Separate right here, BT. God, they got 3 of them. Lord. Well, you better pick y'all knees up, cause I'm gonna tell you. Get out of there.
Hard work on 2.
What's up? Hard work.
All right, we don't want to just be a catcher, be a tackle guy. Right, that's part of it. You're big and strong, you got power. So you have power and moves and power running through people.
Ball 5.
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, told her for a club for a swat, busting all the bells out the box. I just get the link beauty through the. You make me a believer.
Give me the one-on-one with 28.
And Thomas. Single back in Josh Williams. Now they'll motion Lacy back to the right side of the formation. Here's the snap. Pump fake by Nussmeier. He's going to throw towards the end zone. Caught! Touchdown! Mighty Tigers! Tigers win! Tigers win! 29-26 victory. And now the students have stormed the field. And
May ye rest in the Lord, as the Bible says.
The only man in the world who can do handstand push-ups with his fist.
Healthy
King Gus.
subscribe to the Prophet channel.
Oh, they got you.